social media is twisting up all the news that happening around without knowing the fact. So, you might have heard about the UIDAI number being added to people's contact list over 90% of India's Android users. So, the issue is not specified to any particular telecom operators or any particular brands of phone. So, what actually happened is, the issue arises when this French hacker Elliot Anderson asked in Twitter whether these people have this UIDAI number in their phone book. Just after that, the social media have been taken over with this screenshot of the phone number in their phones. Why this fear? Because the R.S. Sharma, Tri organization chairman, uploaded his other number to the Twitter asking them to hack. So what? These people hacked. We were screwed. The other situation got hacked. So many questions arises about this problem. Who actually did it? Of course, Google. They have revealed that all the responsibilities belonging to this issue have been taken by them. It was a small bug in the Google Android system which eventually led to this problem. You guys need not have to worry about this. So what? Bye! Guys, don't forget to subscribe us. Bye.